So here's the problem. Most people sit down after work, spend their 30 minutes planning, organizing, maybe watching one more tutorial. None of that is selling for you while you sleep. And that's exactly why nothing changes. So let's talk about why those 30 minutes feel productive, but aren't actually building anything. There's a difference between active minutes and leveraged minutes. Active, active minutes vanish the second you close your laptop. You did stuff. Sure, you opened tabs. You took notes. You watched someone else explain a strategy. But nothing keeps working after you stop. That's not building residual income. That's volunteering. If your effort dies when you walk away, you're trading time for nothing. No asset, no momentum, nothing paying you tomorrow morning. Now, here's what leveraged 30 minutes actually looks like. You put one piece of content or one link in front of people, then a system that's already built, already tested, already converting, handles the explaining, then answers the answering, even the closing while you sleep, while you're at your day job, while you're at your kid's soccer game. That single 30-minute action planted something. The system keeps watering it at 2 a.m. on a Tuesday when you haven't touched your laptop in 16 hours. That is a completely different game than refreshing a to do list. So, why don't most people ever get here? Because they stay stuck in preparation mode. One more course, one more training video, one more week of getting ready to start. They burn months learning instead of earning, not because they're lazy, but because they haven't plugged into something that already works. They're hand building a machine from raw parts when a proven one is already running. The people making progress aren't smarter, they're just not starting from zero. Stop building from scratch. Start plugging into what already converts. Look, if you've been spending your limited hours planning, organizing, and consuming content that isn't doing anything after you close the tab, here's what changes that. A done for you sales system where your 30 minutes actually count. One that keeps working after you walk away, answers questions on your behalf, and keeps 80 cents of every dollar it brings in going directly to you. Go to the turnkey system or click in the description below and see exactly how it works.